Okay, future continuous tense is used simply action over the period of time in the future. Understand? In this condition, we have to use future perfect tense. So let's discuss the structure subject plus will plus be plus before plus object is the structure, and the way I have to give a I will give I'm going to describe certain example how to use future perfect continuous tense. Alright, let's discuss definition definition structure structure and examples of future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. All right. Okay. Definition. Definition. An action happening an action happening over a period of time in the future, period of time in the future. Understand? Definition: an action happening over a period of time. Structure, subject plus will plus be plus before plus object. Understand? Subject plus will plus be plus before plus object is the structure of the future perfect continuous. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Examples: examples examples number one, Paul will be running a marathon tomorrow. Marathon tomorrow. Understand? Paul Johan will be participate in football competition next Monday. Understand? Next Monday. Understand? This is example. Sarita will be writing a love letter love later the the day after tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow. Understand? Sarita will write late love later the day after tomorrow. Hari will we engage? Will we engage? ENGAGE, engaging in marriage ceremony next tomorrow. Understand? These are the examples of future continuous tense. So future continuous tense is an action happening over a period of time in the future. Understand? An action happening over a period of time within the period of time in the future. Understand? In this condition, we have to use future continuous tense, or future continuous tense is used within the period of time or over a period of time in the an action that happening over the period of time or within the period of time in near future. In this condition, we have to use future continuous tense. Alright, then the structure is subject plus will plus be plus before. Subject plus will plus be plus before plus object is structure of future continuous. Subject plus will plus be plus before. Before is equal to verb plus ing. Understand? This is the form of this. The example: Paul will be running in marathon tomorrow. He is participating in marathon tomorrow. Johan will be participate in football competition next Monday. Sarita will be writing or later the day after tomorrow. Hari will be engaging in marriage ceremony tomorrow. These are the examples of future continuous tense. So we discuss about the definition and action happening within the over the period of time in the future. The action happening within the period of time in the future. In this condition, we have to use future continuous tense, and the structure of future continuous tense is subject plus will plus be plus before plus subject. This is the structure of future continuous tense. Subject plus will plus be plus before plus object. Alright, these are the example. Paul will be running in marathon tomorrow. Johan will be participating in football competition next Monday. Sarita will be writing. Understand? Only things is there. Hari will be engaging. Only these things. No more. Alright. This is the condition. Okay.